gotta get through the nitty-gritty to hear the sound of yellow. So if you feel a little giddy, well, hear the sound of yellow, and synesthesia ain't needed. Sometimes when I get tired, I dream of colors I admire, who they are and what they mean, as if to live vicariously. The sun never asked to shine, but it never did seem to mind. And I take that as inspiration to reach that dream that I've been chasing. We gotta get just past the city to hear the sound of yellow. We gotta get through the nitty-gritty to hear the sound of yellow.